Because the 8 car Yellow Line Antioch Train now approaching Powell Street Station or platform number 2 at Powell Street Station. 3022 is the D car. This is the Antioch Train.
Now boarding at Powell Street. This is a Yellow Line train to Antioch. The doors are closing. Please stand clear of the doors. On the Antioch line in the San Francisco Airport direction. This is due to earlier police activity at
Alright folks, 8 car Yellow Line Antioch Train now departing Powell Street Station on platform number 2. This train is on its way to Antioch. There it goes, on to Antioch. Have a good one. Alright folks, coming up next is a 6 car red light Richmond Train. Headed to Powell Street Station on platform number 2. The train that departed over there on the right is a Daly City train, blue line 6 car. Once again, this is a Richmond Train 6 car on the red line at Powell Street Station. Alright folks, this is a Richmond Train 6 car red line departing Powell Street Station on platform number 2. Alright folks, look at that train. That train is going to Richmond. The red line. Richmond Amtrak Station. I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Alright folks, here comes, I believe, a 9 car blue line Dublin Pleasanton train on platform number 2 coming up. I don't know, this train is a 9 car. Matter of fact, it's a 6 car. The side is wrong, that's why. So this is a 6 car blue line Dublin Pleasanton train now boarding.
Now boarding at Powell Street. This is a blue line train to Dublin Pleasanton.